Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some really cute gift wrapping ideas. What you will need: gifts, some wrapping paper. This is actually just like Scotch brown wrapping paper, twill. I have this really thin twill, and then I have the thicker like roped, but I'm thinking I'm going to use the thinner just because it's more flexible, but I have both just in case. I have my Bedaber bow maker and bow wire, of course. Really pretty ribbon. See, that's really cute. It's about 2 inches in width, and then it's really pretty. It reminds me of like a journal or memoir, something cute. I just thought it was gorgeous. It's 1.5 inches in width. Then I also have this really pretty burlap rose, which I may or may not use, but I have it here just in case. Also tape, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So first things first, let's get these boxes wrapped. The Bedaber here. Just going to take your bow wire, fold it in half, place it down in the center. I have these 2 pieces, 34 inches long, and then this is about 18 inches long. If you want the bow larger, then longer pieces, smaller, then shorter pieces. Fold my ribbon in half just to find the center. And the sides are the same, but if you did have a right and the wrong side, like this one, you would place the right side down. You have my center, so scrunch, fold it in half, bring the front and the back upwards, and place it down. Just like that. And I'm going to make a small loop. Again, if you want it perfectly, you can measure, but it doesn't have to be 100% perfect. I just like to kind of estimate and go from there. That looks pretty good to me. And scrunch. We are going to do the exact same thing with this piece of ribbon, which, oh my gosh, I'm in love with this ribbon. It is so gorgeous. So this is what I was talking about. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. We're going to start wrong side facing up. Right at our center crease, fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Same thing, we're going to make 2 more loops. So see, the size looks pretty good to me. It's slightly smaller, but that's so you can see the back ribbon. So I think that looks really cute. Now you could definitely leave it like this because this looks so cute and adorable already. But I'm going to use this last piece just to add 1 more set of loops. Fold in half to find my center, but I'm going to start on the end. Wrong side facing upwards, and scrunch the end. Place it down. Make a loop, scrunch the other end, and place it down. And then find your center crease and scrunch once more. And scrunch everything together. So you're going to take your wire, the 2 open ends inside of the loop, hold your bow in place, and give it a nice tug. I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times. And again, if you have something specific you want to tie this to, keep the excess wire in place. If not, and you want to just glue it, then cut the excess wire. And I'm going to take 1 more small piece, about 4 inches, and I'm going to tie it in a knot. Just like that. and it's going to go right in the center. And you can glue this in place, or you can just tie it at the back. I've just found myself tying it a lot more lately, just like that. And you see you still have your bow wire that's easily accessible to you. So cute. You do have the option of ribbon cutting the ends. I think I'm actually going to leave this one squared off. You have the option of the thicker trim, or the thinner is more flexible. So I think I'm going to go with that. So I'm unraveling a decent amount. Place it down. Turn it upside down. Cross them. Just like that. And come back to the top. And then just for extra security, I like to go underneath the cross trim. Underneath, just like that. And then I like to tie it in a knot so that it's pretty steady. There we go. Just like that. And then you can pull it and tighten it all up. You could actually, if you'd like, just tie that if you want, but we're not going to do that. Okay, so we're going to take our adorable bow. You have two options. You can either take the bow wire and tie it down, or you can cut the bow wire, place the bow down, and then use the twill to tie it. Only thing that will cover your bow. So what I say do is take your bow wire. We're going to tie the bow in place. Pull it really tight, just like that. And I'm just going to tie it in a knot and tuck it away. So it's very secure and it looks so cute. And then you can just cut away the excess twill if you'd like, because it's simple but it's really cute, and it kind of reminds me of like a journal. It's like journal or writing supplies inside. Then this is really cute. Again, it's very simple, but it's also very sweet and precious as well. Another option, you do have this adorable burlap rose that I just thought was so precious. You can slide that underneath, so you have it like that, which is cute. And I'm just going to tie it. Again, I prefer tying everything as opposed to gluing, because you can reuse it. I'm all about reusing. And that would be cute even without the bow, just having the burlap flower on. So cute and precious, and it's different. So you can take the ribbon across the top, cross it, pretty much the same method we use for the twill. Come back around to the front, and again I like to kind of slide it underneath because that just gives extra security. So I slide both underneath just like that, and then I am going to tie it. So again, these are like simple, but they're really cute and easy to do. So that's so cute and precious. If you have multiple gifts, it's like a cute little gift set idea. What I like about the brown gift wrap is that you can personalize it, you can write directly on it, you can just have fun with it and make it your own.